Okay, so again, so if it is 0 0, if it is 0 0, then what will you do? Arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR. AC and QR. So right, coming to the this one, right? If it is 1 0, if it is 1 1, if it is 1 1, so then arithmetic shift right operation. Then arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR. So what is the AC value? 00100, right? So here this is the AC value, and what is the QR value? 11001. So to find the, to perform the arithmetic shift right operation, right? So right operation in the sense, so here this bit is shifted to here, this bit is shifted to here, and this bit is shifted to here, and this bit is shifted to here, and this one is here, and this one is here, so on and the so on. So there is a one vacant position, right? This bit is shifted to here, right? So there is, right? So there is a one vacant position, there is a one vacant position, so that vacant position is filled with 0. That vacant position is filled with 0. Yes, after performing this arithmetic shift right operation, so what is performing the shift right operation and to decrement the sequence counter? So what is the before sequence counter is 4, after decrement the sequence counter is 3. Okay, right? So here, so before value anta 4 undi, so దీన్ని డిక్రిమెంట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? నాకు 3 ఉంది. సో హియర్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద, సో హియర్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద qn plus 1. హియర్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద qn plus 1. సో qn plus 1, సో ఇంతకుముందు qn plus 1 1 వేసాను, నెక్స్ట్ 1, నెక్స్ట్ 0, నెక్స్ట్ 0, నెక్స్ట్ 1. So don't forget all of you here. So here so qn plus 1, how to find the qn plus 1 in the sense, so here qn plus 1, the first qn plus 1 is 0. Initially qn plus 1 is 0, right? So 0, next qn plus 1 is 1, next qn plus 1 is 1, next qn plus 1 is 0, next qn plus 1 is 0, next qn plus 1 is 1. Okay, right? So here qn value ఏమో డైరెక్ట్గా 1100 తీసుకుంటాము. qn ప్లస్ 1 వాల్యూ ఏమో ఫస్ట్ 0 తీసుకొని తర్వాత qn వాల్యూవే తీసుకుంటాం మనం. సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఎస్, సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు సో qn ప్లస్ 1, నెక్స్ట్ qn ప్లస్ 1 ఎక్కల్ట్ ఎంత 1 వచ్చింది. సో అగైన్ టు చెక్ దిస్, నెక్స్ట్ qn వాల్యూ ఎంత తీసుకుంటాం మనం? 0. ఓకే, qn వాల్యూ is 0. సో qn వాల్యూ ఏమో డైరెక్ట్గా మల్టిఫైర్ తీసుకుంటాము. డైరెక్ట్గా మల్టిఫైర్ ఏంటి? 1 1 0 0 1. qn ప్లస్ 1 వాల్యూ ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం మనం? ఫస్ట్ ఇనిషియల్గా 0 తీసుకొని తర్వాత 1 1 సేమ్ ఇదే తీసుకుంటాం మనం, సేమ్ ఇదే తీసుకుంటాం. 1 1 0 0 1, 1 1 0 0 1. So that is the concept. Okay, right? So next, so what is the qn value? 0. What is the qn plus 1? 1. What is the qn value is 0. Next value is 0. Next, what is the qn plus 1 is 1. If it is 0 1, if it is 0 1, so then what will you do? Then what will you do? If it is 0 1, if it is 0 1, then what will you do? Add AC plus BR. Add AC plus BR. Okay, add AC plus BR, right? Just to perform the add operation, right? So here, so what is the AC value? What is the AC value? 00010, 00010. What is the BR, AC plus QR? What is the QR value? Sorry, this is a BR, not QR. This is BR. This is BR, not QR. So what is the BR value? 10111. So here 10111. Yes, to add these two, right? 01 is 1, 11 is 01, 11 is 01, 001 is 1, 01 is 1. The same, we add these two, right? So after adding this, what is the AC value? 11001. What is the QR value? 01100. So after adding this, to perform the arithmetic shift right operation, arithmetic shift right operation, right? So here arithmetic shift right operation in the sense, so here, so one bit is shifted to right side, right? So this bit is shifted to here, and this bit is shifted to here, and this bit is shifted to here. So this bit is shifted to here, and the same as this bit is shifted to here. So all bits are shifted to here, right? So here same as. So what is the most significant bit of this? 1. So here the vacant position is filled with 1. So arithmetic shift right operation, the vacant position is filled with most significant bit, right? The same story. So vacant position is filled with most significant bit. Right? So the vacant position is filled with most significant bit. So what is the most significant bit of this? Previous 1. So that's why that is the 1. Right. So after performing the arithmetic shift right operation, so what is the A value? What is the AC value? So what is the AC value after performing this? What is the AC value? 11100. What is the QR value? 10110. Yes, 10110. Right? So here after completion of this, and to decrement the sequence counter, right? So what is the previous sequence counter? 3, and after sequence counter is 2. So here what is the QN value? QN plus 1 value. QN plus 1. What is the QN plus 1? What is the QN plus 1? Same, రాయండి ఇక్కడ ఇది రాశారు కదా. ఫస్ట్ QN plus 1 0 ఇనిషియల్గా, నెక్స్ట్ 1, నెక్స్ట్ 1, నెక్స్ట్ ఏముంది? 0. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇనిషియలీ 0, నెక్స్ట్ 1, నెక్స్ట్ 1, నెక్స్ట్ 0, ఆ నెక్స్ట్ అవుతుంది 0, ఆ నెక్స్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది? 1 అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద QN plus 1. That is the QN plus 1. Right. So here coming to this one. So here find the QN also. What is the QN? QN first one 1 అయిపోయింది, 1 అయిపోయింది, 0 అయిపోయింది, నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి? 0. సో హియర్ QN is equal to 0. QN plus 1 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 0. Right? So here if it is 0 0, then what will you do? If it is 0 0, then what will you do? Directly to perform arithmetic shift right operation. So here arithmetic shift right operation in the sense, so here the all bits are shifted to right side, right? The vacant position is filled with most significant bit. So what is the most significant bit of this? What is that one? 1, right? So that one is filled with most significant bit. Okay, that one is filled with most significant bit. So after performing this, so what is the A value after performing the shift left operation? Okay, so according to according to flow chart, what is the qn plus 1? So that is called 0, right? So if it is 0 0, then what will you do to perform arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR? So what is the AC value? 11100, and what is the QR value? 10110. To perform the arithmetic shift right operation for this, right, this, okay, right? So here right operation in the sense, so the bits are shifted to right side, the vacant position is filled with most significant bit. So what is the most significant bit? That is called 1, that is called right, so that is called 1, okay, right? So here after performing the arithmetic shift right operation, so what is the AC value? 11110. What is the QR value? 01011. Yes, so here how to find the qn plus 1? Here how to find the qn plus 1, right? So what is the qn plus 1 is 0. Right? So here, so 0, right? After find out the qn plus 1 and to decrement the sequence counter. So what is the sequence before sequence counter? That is called, so 2, right? After decrement the sequence counter, so here what is the sequence counter is 1, right? So here, so what is the last value for qn? That is called 1, and qn plus 1 is 0. And qn plus 1 is 0, right? So according to flow chart, so if it is 1 0, so then what will you do? 1 0 in the sense, right? AC minus BR. So what is the AC minus BR in the sense? AC plus BR bar plus 1. That is called AC plus BR bar plus 1, right? So after performing this, so AC in the sense of 11110. What is the BR bar plus 1 in the sense? 01001, right? So to add these two, so 01 is 1, 10 is 1, 10 is 1, 11 is 01, 01, sorry, 10 is 1 in the sense 0, the carry is 1. The finally, after performing the addition operation for AC and BR bar plus 1, what is the AC value in the sense? Is 00111. So what is the QR value in the sense? 01011. Okay. Okay, all of you, right? So here, after performing this add AC plus BR bar plus 1 to arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR, right? So to perform the arithmetic shift right operation, that is, this 0 is shifted to here, and the most significant bit, that is filled with vacant position. That is what is the most significant bit? What is the most significant bit is 0. That 0 is filled with something, right? So after performing this, to decrement the sequence counter, right? So decrement the sequence counter in the sense, so before sequence counter is 1 and after sequence counter is 0, right? So according to this flow chart, so to check the sequence counter, if it is 0, then go to end. If it is not equal to 0, this process is continue until sequence counter equal to 0. Right? So here, so number of bits in, so BR is stored in, multificand is stored in BR register, multiplier is stored in QR register. So initially QAC equal to 0, QN plus 1 equal to 0, and sequence counter, that's represented as n, number of bits in multiplier, that bits are stored in n variable, right? So every time to check the qn comma qn plus 1. So what is qn? Here the point is, what is qn plus 1? So qn in the sense least significant bit of multiplier. What is qn plus 1? In the sense previous least significant bit of multiplier. Initially qn plus 1 equal to 0, right? After taking the 0, then onwards we'll take the multiplier. Okay, then onwards we'll take the multiplier. So if it is, so there are totally 3 conditions are there. So one is 1 0, one is 0 1, another one is 0 0 or 1 1. If it is 1 0, then what will you do? Add AC plus BR bar plus 1 or AC minus BR. AC minus BR ని ఎలా రాస్తాం మనం? AC ప్లస్ BR బార్ ప్లస్ 1 అంటే 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ BR. 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ BR ఇన్ ది సెన్స్ BR బార్ ప్లస్ 1. AC ప్లస్ BR బార్ ప్లస్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 0 1, then what will you do? Add AC plus BR. If it is 0 0 or 1 1, then directly to perform arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR. Okay, right. So after performing the arithmetic shift right operation to decrement the sequence counter, right? So after decrement the sequence counter, to check the sequence counter, if it is 0, then go to end. If it is not equal to 0, then this process is continue until sequence counter equal to 0, right? So I think this is the numerical example for this. So every step is followed by this following flow chart. Just follow the flow chart until to find the result. Okay, so initially we are taking qn and qn plus 1 and BR and AC. BR is multiplicand, AC is initially. For AC, what is the purpose of AC? In the sense to store the result. QR in the sense that is a multiplier, and qn plus 1 in the sense previously significant bit of multiplier, and sequence counter is 1 0 1. That's enough, right? So to follow the flow chart until to find the result. Okay, so thank you all of you.